hip and knee and land forward punch. When you walk, right? Go punch. Feel that? Look like you fake push kick, right? When you walk, you push, you walk back. When you keep walk, go punch and move back. When you walk, go. When you walk, same thing, kick, come back. Got it? Again. When you walk, push, move back, fake, punch. Okay? For real, walk to me, fake, kick, come back.
Are we landing even for that fake?
Okay, first time when you walk, right? You push kick, you walk back. Second time, fake, land forward, punch. Okay, and move back. Third, push. Second one, fake, and land right here. Depend. If he stop, you can skip kick. If he don't stop, he keep walk, land back and kick. You need to see how he stop or no. When walk to me, fake, kick. You say he don't stop. If he stop, when it fake, he stop, keep kick. You need to check he stop or no. Check your distance. You understand? Again, push, walk back. Fake, punch, come back. Push, walk back. Fake, kick. You say that when I fake, I know he stop, I skip forward, kick. If he don't stop, when you walk, he don't stop, land back and kick. Depend how this stand. He keep walk or he stop. You need to know this stand, land forward, land even or land back. Got it?